So Lindsay, how can Avant Law help a medical professional who's looking to purchase a property?
Sure, we can help medical professions through any aspect of the conveyance. So we can help with an initial contract review, go through that contract with you, and then help out with the legals, liaise with your financier and get the property settled as quickly as possible.
There's a few moving parts when it comes to purchasing a property, getting your finance sorted, etc. When should I be engaging with a solicitor?
You should engage with the solicitor as soon as possible. So as soon as you think that you're going to buy a property, come and talk to us, and then we can be available to check a contract. As you go through a conveyancing process at the open for inspection, there will be a contract available for you to review. At that time, ask the agent to send us a copy of the contract together with any searches that might be available, and we can review that for you and let you know if there's any special conditions that need to change or if there's any searches that we need to do to protect your interests.
And on that, especially protecting interests, why is it important to engage with a solicitor when purchasing property?
It's very important to engage with a solicitor, and that's one distinction that Avant Law has. We only have solicitors here at Avant Law in the property team, so we don't have paralegals. You get a full qualified solicitor to help you in the process. It's also very important to have a solicitor there to make sure your interests are protected. We make sure that there's nothing untoward in the contract, and we make sure we do all the searches that we need to make sure you're buying clear title and you get a good property at the end.
So aside from standard property purchase transactions, are there any other services that Avant Law provide?
Yeah, so we can help you in the lending process as well. Sometimes your lender will ask you to provide a solicitor certificate to say that you've had advice on your loan. We can provide those certificates. We can also help you with any of your other legal needs. So for example, if you're setting up a practice and you're taking a lease, or if your self-managed super fund is buying property, we can help with that. In addition, if you're buying a property, it's always a good time to update your will, and we've got experts in the team that can help do that. We also have an employment lawyer and a head of corporate and commercial who can help with any kind of practice-related legal needs as well.
Okay, it's really good to know that Avant can support members further than lending and insurance. Are there any specific benefits to Avant members?
Sure, as I mentioned before, one of the benefits of using Avant Law is that you get a solicitor. You're not dealing with a paralegal to do your conveyancing. The other benefit is we give a 10% discount to our members on their legal fees.
Fantastic. So if someone had any specific questions or wanted to discuss something with you, how would they go about getting in contact?
Of course, so they can have a look at our website, and from there you'll see all of our details there. Our website has a 1-800 number you can phone, and at that time you can make a booking for a free 30-minute consultation.
Fantastic. Thanks, Lindsay.
No problem.